'cause I'll never let go. Just tell me what you need, for it's already gone. Never let go.
So in order for me to keep myself accountable when it comes to workouts and meal prepping, it is to plan what time, where, what body part, what food do I need. I'm sure many of you guys have heard of Notion, but if you haven't, they are today's sponsor. So I'm going to be using Notion to kind of plan out what this week is going to look like. They also have a new feature called Notion Faces. So you can create your own custom portrait by mixing and matching the hand-drawn illustration. So it's a little way to switch up our profile pictures. But overall, Notion is a very easy to use platform to put actions behind our goals, because you need to know how you're going to accomplish your goals. I love how everything on Notion stays in one place so you can be neatly organized. And if you're not sure how to get started on building your foundation this year, then you can go onto the Notion Marketplace, where they have thousands of pre-made templates for you to use. Today, I'm actually going to use a workout template to help with my planning, and you don't even need to make a copy. It just makes a copy for you that is editable, and you can see it's just added to the left of my tabs. So this week, I'm actually gonna work out Monday through Friday. So up here at the top, I'm gonna add my workouts, and then I'm gonna talk about what body group I'm focusing on, and then you can see on the table side, we can add our food. Food. There we go. And we can customize this and change it up. If I can work out around the same time every day, I will. But sometimes my friends want to work out with me, and it's, at different times. So that's what I'm willing to change. But overall, with any planning, we gotta stay flexible in case anything happens or anything changes. Stomach hurts. So you can get started on Notion for free and create your own portrait. Okay. Here is what I eat and how I train for the entire week. I always have my water bottle filled up, so I am ready to go. And today we're going to Barry's boot camp. I've been going to Barry's for 7 years now, and let me tell you, I am not a runner. I don't naturally enjoy running, but it is something I've gotten better at because I've been going consistently. At this point, I've proven to myself that I can do it, so I just press the button and go. So we spend half the time on the treadmill, half the time on the floor doing different workouts that the instructor calls out. So I barely have to think about anything. I don't even really have to count. The instructors quickly demo everything, moves pretty fast. We also use resistance bands, and then we hop back on the treadmill for another 10 minutes. But sometimes I also will walk if I'm feeling like that was a lot of cardio today. I feel like Barry's has allowed me to not be afraid of lifting heavy, and I love seeing strong women lifting weights, and I feel like I've gotten a lot stronger too. Finished my workout, the sun is coming out, and my instructor at the end of class asked us to think about one thing that we're proud of that we accomplished already today at 8 in the morning. The first thing I thought of, it's not the speed, it's not the weight that I picked, it's I showed up today, and that's an accomplishment in itself. And I think for many of us, just showing up is the hardest part, because once you show up, you're gonna do the workout, you're gonna do the work, but getting yourself there is hard. Show up for yourself and show up. Monday mornings, I like to prepare my snacks for the week, and today we're going to make sauna eggs. You just pressure cook it in water for 3 hours in an Instant Pot, and it comes out delicious. Another snack I like to prepare is Korean sweet potatoes. So I just wash them, and then I put it in my little oven for an hour and a half at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. So while that's going, we're also going to make a spinach and turkey omelet today. So I take 3 eggs, a little bit of cottage cheese for the protein, some oven roasted turkey breast, and then of course we gotta add fiber, and it's spinach. I have a probiotic every morning before I eat my breakfast, and then we're gonna shower and get ready for food. I had a 4-hour staff meeting today, so I ate in front of my computer, and then I get an early head start on drinking water. My sweet potatoes are ready, and as you can see, it is nicely yellow and golden. For lunch today, we are going to make some shrimp Thai curry. In 2015, I actually taught abroad in Prague. I taught first graders, and I was craving Asian food so badly. There was a Thai restaurant that I would frequent, and I would get Thai red curry, so this definitely brings back memories. When I'm cooking meals, I'm always looking for things that include a lot of vegetables as well as protein, but it needs to have flavor too. We are having shrimp today as my protein, but you can add tofu, you can add chicken, whatever floats your boat. So I thought adding a handful of kale was enough, but then it totally shrunk, and I was like, you know what? We can add a lot more kale. Let's do it. air purifier is going crazy. Every time I cook, it's like, ah, and I want to get all the smell out. That's why I love food so much, because it's just our memories and our taste buds just all connect. So L means how long it's just been done. Very hot because it's been pressure cooked for so long. I'm just gonna crack it open. You can see it's roasted, and this is just natural. There's no soy sauce, there's nothing. And I'm just gonna open it up for you guys. Ta-da! Still so crazy to me. So I have had 3 eggs today. For dinner today, we're going to make a Korean barbecue salad with some Korean barbecue, and that'll be it. For my Korean barbecue salad, I'm using green lettuce as well as red lettuce, and I got this salad washer spinner from Facebook Marketplace for half the price. For my meat, I'm using bulgogi, and I did get the pre-marinated one from a Korean market, but you can totally make your own bulgogi sauce too and marinate any type of meat. You will never see me without a cup of water while I'm eating. I feel like while I'm eating, I'm always like, oh my gosh, if I don't have water, I get so nervous. Because if you ever choke or anything, I don't want to like swallow it down. But I'm just gonna take a little bit of rice. I've been trying to cut back on my carbs for dinner. Not that carbs are bad, but I eat a lot of carbs, so. Not done. Good morning. Today is an all-white outfit and we are off to our next workout. I packed my eggs. I am going to Barry's 3 days in a row this week. My stomach hurts. Just not the norm. Typically, I like to spread it out, or I'll do other workouts or free workouts. But my friends are going today and tomorrow, and I feel like having friends work out with you makes such a difference. I'm used to working out by myself, but whenever my friends can go, I want to go. And I've actually started making friends at my workouts too, just because you see the same people at the same time, usually for a group fitness class, and then you can start to, see familiar faces, and it makes you feel like, you have a community. So definitely recommend. Today was lower body day, which is really just your legs. It was a hard workout, but we can do hard things, especially with friends next to us. All done with my workout. Currently charging the car. If you hear like a sound happening. The more we do hard things, the more we realize how resilient we are. If we're always doing easy things, we can't ever prove to ourselves our potential to grow and to change. So my legs have gotten way stronger in the past few years than when I was in college. In college, I could hardly do lunges without, losing my breath. And then with fitness, you always want to grow and get better. So whenever it starts to get easier, I just get heavier weights. For my sauna eggs, I am so hungry. For lunch today, we're gonna have leftover chili that my husband made. I love chili because it's really high in protein. You've got your beans, you've got your ground beef, tomato. Oh, so good. So we're just gonna have it with some tortilla chips. I have dinner plans tonight on the west side and we are getting pizza, so that's why I've been trying to cut back on the amount of carbs I'm eating. But my husband still needs to eat, so I'm going to prepare dinner for him and we're going to make kimchi fried rice with some bok choy. Okay, so I was supposed to wake up at 5:20 and head out to LA for a workout, but then I woke up and my stomach hurt so badly that I could not go. And that's just life. Sometimes we have to pivot and change. We are going to work out at home today because my stomach is slightly better now. Probiotics to help my stomach. Before I do my workout, I'm going to make some miso soup so that by the time I'm done with my workout, I can have that for breakfast. I love making miso soup because it's pretty simple as long as you have a really flavorful dashi packet. I got mine from Japan, but you can also get the hondashi, which is found at a lot of supermarkets. Then we add our soft tofu as well as our miso and our seaweed. I've mentioned this in my other videos, but make sure you add the miso on low heat because you want the probiotics to stay put. I do try to make it a priority to move my body every day or every other day, and today we're going to do my friend's workout, Build Your Moxie. She's a physical therapist, so I highly trust what she has to say about our bodies.
Falling apart, I can't begin searching to saturate feet. All these two drowning me, baby, can't you see this? Say you see more than you need, we're lost enough, don't you care? Yeah, with all these fake things.
I think hip workouts are so important. So I've done this one before. Actually, I've done both of them.
Exercise for around 40 to 60 seconds.
So comforting. For lunch today, we are having our leftover Thai curry. I love when I make dishes where there's leftovers because then it saves me some cooking. We're going to make some dumplings today. Am I a dumpling pro? No, but these dumplings tasted really good, so I'm proud. Dumpling wrapping and Korean canvas. I like to pop them into some boiling water, and then once they rise to the surface, they're usually done. Let's taste test the dumplings. A little out of focus, but it was good. For dinner today, I went out to treat my friend for her birthday and we had onigiris. We are off to Pilates today. I'm glad I'm not doing really intense cardio because I'm pretty tired. I was really hungry today, so I just ate a bunch of leftovers, and my husband brought me some picanha that he had leftovers from his work dinner. Yes! For lunch today, we're having the leftovers. Fried rice is always a win later. I try really hard to eat greens with all of my meals. Sometimes it doesn't happen, but if we can, we'll eat some vegetables. We are traveling tonight to San Francisco, so I'm gonna order takeout. We're gonna get kava, which is like Mediterranean Chipotle, basically, where we can make our own bowls. But I like to get the kids meal because it's cheaper and it's just like the perfect amount of food. And I'm gonna have another sauna egg. I'm actually packing some for our trip. So there's a difference between the regular meal and then the kids meal. Woke up in the Bay Area with some friends, and I always wake up earlier than everyone else and I get hungry, so I brought my sauna eggs with me. Good morning! So I came outside so I can just walk around the area, and that's going to be my workout for the day. Don't underestimate literally just walking. You want to walk at like a little faster pace. I think normally people walk at like a 3 mile per hour pace. Maybe hit it to like 3.5 outside. Literally, we're just moving our body. Let's get a Target. Oh wow, Blogilates. I actually haven't been to a Target in person in a while, so I have not seen her collection in person. You see, it's different from her regular Pop Flex material. We went off to Sea Ranch for my friend's birthday, which is a really remote area in the Bay. It's about 3 hours away from San Francisco, and our friend cooked for us all weekend long, so I just snacked on some pistachios. He also made us pizza, and this is just a reminder that life is about balance. And of course, I try to eat healthy and I try to eat whole foods, but then there are also moments where I'm just enjoying time with my friends, eating whatever, whenever. Again, even on vacation, I wake up much earlier than my friends, so I prepared some breakfast for myself, and this is what I eat and how I train in a week. If you like what you see, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you later. Bye! So this weekend, my friend's dog actually ended up passing away. This is Blue, and he was a 9-year-old rescue and the sweetest boy. Rest in peace. Oh, why can't dogs live forever?
See you walk, I can see you walk.